Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share a Twitch link. So to begin with, if you want to share the link to the particular stream, just open it. In here, tap on the share icon over here, choose the share to option, and choose what source you would like to use for sharing. You can either send it directly into one of the messages you have installed on your phone to other devices that are in range, or simply copy the link and manually send it to somebody. If you want to share the link to your own Twitch channel, just open your channel, and in here somewhere we should have the share option. I'm not sure whether this share option is accessible from the mobile version of Twitch, so if not, I'll just switch to the desktop version real quick. So in here, that's what I figured. So open up in order to share your link to your channel, just open up the desktop version of twitch.tv, log into your channel, then open up your profile page or your Twitch channel page. Here it is. And simply copy the URL. As you can see, here's mine. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.